about driving away from Shirley Driving Test Centre, well, this is probably the hardest part. These are the back of the shops where you have a not very busy compound from which you may get international lorry drivers leaving with some difficulty on this occasion, because there's a couple of cars double parked, the silver one and the white one. There may be no space around the front of the shops where the driving test centre is for that learner car to park, and as you can see, the lorry's actually going up on the pavement in order to get down this two-way road. At the end of the two-way road you've got a very short stretch of road, maybe just 3 metres, where water often collects and obscures the double broken white line on the left hand half of that very short section of road, confirming that you do need to go on the left hand half before you emerge. So in the distance there is the lorry heading off towards the roundabout, past the front of the test centre, not down the service road, and the red Mini behind has taken up the correct position for turning right. I can just about see its direction indicator flashing, and it allows the grey car to be able to move around the back of it, having turned off the road that leads away from the roundabout. The Mini's gone out halfway, and now that they've got a better sideline, off they go completely. So as I say, this is one of the trickier aspects of driving tests around a busy suburban early 1960s shopping development, with a very narrow road from which vehicles can come out, as well as vehicles turning in. You're not expected to necessarily keep your vehicle fully on one half of the road, but you are expected, of course, to check whether there is anybody coming the other way before you commit to steering. And here's the one-way road from which this side road comes. Looking off to the left down the main Stratford Road, where the white Beetle has just gone, by the petrol station, with a giveaway there for traffic turning off the Stratford Road. And then the shops themselves here, over to the right hand side, a very busy pet shop on my immediate right, and then a school uniform shop which is also pretty busy, certainly during the month of August, and a perpetually busy Stratford Road with electric buses. And being a more affluent area, more electric vehicles, so you can't always hear the vehicles that are approaching. I'm walking up to the test centre now. These diagonal parking bays, it's important to make sure there's no reversing lights on any vehicles that may be moving out of those bays onto this one-way road while you're pulling away from the left-hand side of the road. Very nice German cafe with a toilet if you buy some coffee. Test centre. Very busy roundabouts, which you come pretty much straight onto after you come out from that side road. So looking around to the right hand side, here's another learner car coming in. I'm walking past the offices for the test centre, and here is that small junction that we were looking towards from the other end of, behind the shops, with the water covering the markings on the road. And here I am, pointing down that side road, that rear service road, servicing the shops from behind to where the blue lorry had first emerged from, and it was coming down to this piece of road. So this is a two-way road with a road immediately on the left, which is a one-way road for bicycles as well as cars. You can see how busy that roundabout is. And because there are shops all around, it's likely that you will have a pedestrian crossing, in this case one from which bicycles might come as well. So a learner car has just practiced coming around the shops, and there it is, taking up its position to turn left, reasonably on the left hand side, but not as fully on the left as it could be, to maximise free road space for vehicles turning in from this road. So that's the locality around Shirley Test Centre.